land is your land. It is a perfect beginning ukulele 3-chord song because you are always returning to C from your excursions into F and G. I threw in a G7 in my arrangement just to make it a little bit more interesting. So many of you know that very first verse by heart. So it's great to have your lyrics memorized and then eventually get your chord changes memorized too. So you have what I call a hip pocket song, something you can pull out and play at any time and people know it. So let's get going. Let's just do a little warm-up. Everything moves in groups of 2, and we're doing the island strum on this. So when you've got the F chord, it's 2 times, and the C chord, it's 2 times. You got the idea? So let's just do a little practice with that. It starts with an F chord. 1, 2, and here we go. Warm-up, get you going. Let's do the intro and talk about the outro, and then I'll have 2 speeds for you for a play along. The introduction I wrote for this has got a G7 in it. G7, do it again, and then C. If you don't like that G7, there is nothing wrong with playing a regular G there. Not a problem at all. Here's something to know about 7 chords. Almost always, if you don't feel like playing a 7 chord, you can just play a regular chord. So you don't have to play G7, you can play a G. However, the reverse is not true. You cannot just substitute 7 chords willy-nilly for a regular chord. I'll do a video about that. So let's do that introduction, then we'll talk about the pickup into the verse. So 1, 2, and here we go. This land is your land. So there's a pickup. This land is your, and then you start in on the F. So that's how you get into the song. Cover the outro, how that goes. We take the last line of that famous first verse and on a G7 or a G if you'd like. And this land was made for you and me. Do one more C, and then this land was made for you and me. And then you end on a thumb strum. Super slow play along here. If you have the music, which you can find online, great. If you're a patron of mine, you have access to my arrangement with the intro and outro on it. If you're not one of my patrons, please consider supporting me. And of course, if you're in a class where I'm teaching this, I passed out the music. All right. Don't forget that I have a philanthropic endeavor, and so even supporting me at $1 a month helps get ukuleles into communities of need, along with ukulele instruction. Okay, so super slow play along. 1, 2, a 1, 2, here we go. This land is your land. This land is my land. From California to the New York Island, from the redwood forest I roamed and rambled, I follow my footsteps to the sparkling sands of her diamond deserts, and all around me a voice was sounding. This land was made for you and me. When the sun came shining and I was strolling, and the wheat fields waving, and the dust clouds rolling, as the fog was lifting, a voice was chanting. This land was made for you and me. This land is your land. This land is my land. From California to the New York Island, from the redwood forest to the Gulf Stream waters. This land was made for you and me. This land was made for you and me. Here's some more singable play along, a little bit more speed that you would be singing this song at. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. This land is your land. This land is my land. From California to the New York Island, from the redwood forest to the Gulf Stream waters. This land was made for you and me. As I was walking that ribbon of highway, I saw above me that endless skyway. I saw below me that golden valley. This land was made for you and me. I roamed and rambled, I followed my footsteps to the sparkling sands of her diamond deserts, and all around me a voice was sounding. This land was made for you and me. When the sun came shining and I was strolling, and the wheat fields waving, and the dust clouds rolling, as the fog was lifting, a voice was chanting. This land was made for you and me. This land is your land. This land is my land. From California to the New York Island, from the redwood forest to the Gulf Stream waters. This land was made for you and me. This land was made for you and me. All right, let me know how you're doing. Let me know if these play-alongs are helpful. Let me know if you're in Australia or somewhere else, what would be a good substitute for you for this song. I hope that you found this instructional video useful to your growth as a ukulele player. please hit like and subscribe, and even better, leave a comment for me. I am told that there's algorithms and search engine things and all this kind of stuff on YouTube that will make it easier for other aspiring ukulele players to find this video. Thanks so much, and I hope you're having a great time playing your ukulele.